Hey everyone, welcome back to jkworld035. I'm Junaid, and today I'm giving you something very personal, a complete tour of my digital brain. This is where I capture ideas, organize knowledge, and turn chaos into clarity. If you've ever struggled with too many notes scattered across apps, this video is for you. You see, in today's world, information is infinite, but our memory isn't. That's why I built my own digital note-taking system. Think of it like an external hard drive for my brain, organized, searchable, and always ready. Let me show you the 4 apps that form the backbone of my digital brain. First, Notion, my command center for long-term notes, structured projects, and my personal knowledge base. Second, Obsidian, my thinking space where I link ideas together using a network of notes approach. Third, Google Keep for quick capture when I'm on the go. And fourth, Readwise, the magical bridge that imports highlights automatically. Here's how everything flows: capture, process, link, and review. Every idea starts in my quick capture apps. Watch this. I highlight a quote in Kindle, it goes to Readwise, syncs to Notion, then I link it in Obsidian. Now it's connected to my knowledge graph. This system ensures I never lose ideas, and more importantly, I actually use them. Here's what I've learned. Don't just collect, connect. Keep it simple at first. Review regularly. Build for retrieval, not storage. The goal isn't to hoard notes, it's to find the right idea at the right time. So that's my digital brain system. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to jkworld035 for more productivity content. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite note-taking tool? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe for more.